Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to edit TikTok video description after posting. First of all guys, go on your profile section and then select on your video that you wanna edit them description. For example, this one. Go on the third line on your right side and then as you can see, go on the privacy settings. And now as you can see here, we don't have an option for editing our description of this video. First, what you need to do is to go again here and go on the plus icon and go upload, and then you need to choose again this video and post it again. For example, if you don't have the video, you need to go on your browser and type for TikTok downloader, yeah, and after that you need to choose. First you need to go back and select the thumbnail of this one. Go back, go on this video for example, and go and copy link. After that, go here again, just insert the link, paste it, download. Yeah, now go without watermark. Go on the plus icon, upload, choose that video, go next. Go next again, and now guys, here you can describe your video again. And guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.